This is just one of two 2024 Mustangs that we're installing the Whipple Supercharger on. This is a 6-speed manual with the MT82 in it. It's a premium GT. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and we're down at Lujan Motorsports, Miami, Florida. What are we doing? You guys ready? S650 Supercharger content coming to you guys. We're just about to get started with the install of the all-new Gen 6 3-liter Whipple Supercharger for the 24 and up Mustang GT and Dark Horse. I'm so excited. We've had this kit for a while. It's been sitting around. We did some reviews with it, unboxing the whole nine. Actually did a great interview with Dustin talking about all the components. But now it's time to install on our car and get rolling. Let's do it. If you guys aren't familiar with Willie Lujan of Lujan Motorsports, I don't know where you've been. Obviously, this guy has built so many awesome cars. His own car, he's a racer. His daughter's a racer. He's built so many other cars. Alex Correa, Lethal Christie's, man. Honestly, man, Willie's awesome, man. He actually did the Coyote swap on my Cobra, put a Gen 3 in there with a 3.8 liter Whipple. And today we're gonna be installing that Supercharger kit, so I'm really excited. I can't wait. Everyone's been talking crap about this S650, like, oh, it's a dud, yada, yada, yada. Really, the only mods we've got on here right now is a Corsa double H-pipe. We've got some Vossen wheels on here. We got the Steeda Stop the Hop starter kit on here. Also some UPR catch cans, a little bit of Lethal Performance carbon fiber, but now it's time for the real deal, the big Whipple Supercharger, making that boost. But I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna have a great time down here, and I can't wait till this thing is done, make some power with the car. Really excited. So come along for the ride, guys. Tomahawk flash device, version 2, for flashing the tune. I got some solid instructions from Dustin. If you want to just take a quick peek at them, you use instructions, no?
Every once in a while.
All right. Well, here.
Try to look at the pictures better.
Okay. Here you go. It's actually, I was surprised. It's a very small instruction manual. It was only 2 pages.
Really?
Yeah, there's, you want to take a quick peek at them, man. Willie
and Jared, sorry, but you're on your own this one. Good luck. All right, no problem. Thanks, Dustin. We'll get it done. Yeah. We'll get it done.
there's actually an instruction manual with full color pictures and everything else in there. I do have an addendum to it for you, all right? There was one part with a tensioner, but we got it. All right. There you go. The first page is very helpful though, right? I'm excited. How to ruin a brand new car instantly, right?
That's not ruining.
Yeah.
Ruining is when you get it and cut it up and...
Yeah. Carbon fiber, baby. Look at that, huh?
Yeah, I see that.
Lethal carbon. Everyone's chomping at the bit for this kit, man. When are they gonna start shipping? We got Street Speed, my buddy Mike up there. He's looking forward to a kit. Gavin, it's just a 6, wants a kit. Everyone wants to get Whippled. Clean this camera off a little bit. Monday blues, right? Down here at Lujan Motorsports. Willie Lujan in the house.
What's up?
Yeah, what's up, everybody? Mustang King here. We're gonna be doing some Kooks Headers, MGW Shifter, Mcleod RXT, and there it is, the manifold's gone. Bye-bye. In the house, Kooks Productions. Hey yo. All right, Gen 4 Coyote. Miscellaneous Ford bag. Hoses. I got a hose. I got hose in different area codes. Meaning like the actual bolt is much thinner than the spacers, you know, and like collar on the actual idler pulley itself. Is there something I'm missing? The one-step washer should be on the front of the pulley.
Yeah. Tell them that the washer, the hole of the washer is half inch.
Yeah, the one.
The half inch 13 thread there. If they have that, that would be perfect. Let me put this back where it was.
That's. Yeah. I don't think it'll work.
Nope.
Always something. Always something. Got the blower all ready to go. This guy's gonna drop this thing on the engine here in a sec. There you go. Should be done with the install in about 5 minutes, right, Willie?
10.
10 minutes, guys. We'll be all done. Ready to see us make some power or what? Heat exchanger and intercooler design from Whipple Superchargers. Patented.
Oh yeah?
Patented. Dual core, dual pass. Now that we've got the install of the Whipple pretty much almost done, it's time for Willie to get started on some supporting mods, one of which are going to be these G-Force Outlaw axles. Why are we doing it? Because we know the stock axles are prone to failure. I've actually snapped an axle on my 2018 GT on the 1.2 shift and on my 2020 GT500 on the launch, and it happens just like that. These are G-Force's Outlaw axles. They are rated up to 1,500 horsepower. They are billet machined CV joints, which actually have more travel and flexibility than your factory axle has. They're also 31 spline axles, so they'll be a direct replacement for the factory axle. These axles also use one-piece billet steel inner and outer stubs for increased durability and strength. And as an added bonus, these G-Force axles offer anti-wheel hop technology. What does that mean? That means more cleaner and consistent launches both on the street and on the track. So let's go ahead and get started on the install of our first upgrade to the driveline on our 2024 Mustang GT.
Yeah, bro, why not? Why wouldn't I believe?
I ran my 8, dude, when you were there with me. Help me out with this. Less chance of it breaking or something like that.
Let's see how well they going. Well, this one running good.
Billy and so I'm going to check back a little bit. Like I said, MGW guys, they're on 6. Well, 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 guys, back in Lujan Motorsports, the big Whipple is on top of our 2024 Mustang GT engine. Let's fire it up and hear how it sounds. Joe, you okay, man? You sure? How are your ears?
Not good.
That was, even in normal mode, this thing sounds insane.